What number is 10 more than 16? So we can say, well, what's 10 plus 16? But we can also say, and this only works for addition, what is 16 plus 10? So let's take a look at our 16 blocks. There's our row of 10 blocks. Okay, so that's 10 blocks, and you can count them on your screen if you would like to. And then I'm going to add 6 more blocks to give us 16. So that's 10, and we have 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and 16. So we have 16 blocks here, and we need to add 10 more. So let's add 10 more. Let me just move that for us. All right, perfect. So we have 16 plus 10. So let's go ahead and count from 16, and we're going to add 10 more. So 17 and 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So we end up with 26 blocks. So 10 more than 16 equals 26. If you laid out all of your blocks like this, and then you started counting, what you could do is say this is 10 blocks, this is 20 blocks here, and then I have 6 more blocks here. So you could have added 20 blocks plus 6 blocks. It all depends on what you're comfortable with. So 10 more than 16 is 26.